The fifth grade projects are put on by the PTA as part of our arts and education program. The fifth graders every year get to add a piece of artwork that gets put together into a collage, and it's kept here until they're a senior and get to come back and get it off the wall.
This Porter tradition here of our art wall has been going on well over a decade, longer than I've been here. For our seniors, it's a really special time because they're coming back to do their senior walks, and they always show up here and they point to and they remember all the great things that they did and just kind of relive their childhood just for a minute. It's pretty special to see.
I feel like that this school has a lot of history and there's just so much art in the school. I feel like there's creativity everywhere. Like once you move up into the third grade, you're like, wow.
There's like no rules, like if you mess up, that's okay. You don't have to restart the whole thing. You can do what you want, you can express your feelings.
It's really cool to see the stuff that I did a long time ago. And yeah, it's really cool to look back on those memories.
For me, doing art in fifth grade really helped me understand that I wanted to do that in middle school and then eventually in high school. And now I'm in AP art at the high school.
When you're doing a piece of art, you're using math and you're using science and literature at the same time. And so those connections build stronger minds, and they can see that even though everyone comes from different situations and has different experiences, look at how our art comes together. It makes this beautiful whole piece, and we belong.
This is my Birdville ISD.
This is my Birdville ISD.
This is my Birdville ISD.